Now this is time to move forward, and we have seen that our professor Catalina Mendoza Sir, Professor Vice Chancellor of our Eudoxia Research University, made one incredible presentation, and he already shared the basics. What we can say, the fundamentals of the research, type of research, design, etc. Now the researcher and academician will have their question in their mind: how to find out research gap, how to understand the research problem. I may doing my research in qualitative research. I may be the person who is doing my quantitative research design. Maybe someone from the experimental field, and they are thinking that I want to start my thesis right. I need one good topic. How to identify that topic? How to go for writing my introduction of my paper? How I will utilize my research and methodology for publication purpose? Much more to learn. And here, it is my pleasure and great honor to share that we have another speaker, emeritus speaker. I am sharing here, and he is one of the senior most person guiding numbers of that our scholars to their PhDs, also being the head of the Department of Commerce, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, one of the leading central university from our country, India. He is known for his research methodology, and especially whenever it is about the research problem, research gap, and the research design. It may be the qualitative or quantitative. The person who is into the research and academic and publication, more than 3 decades, and having the numbers of publication into his credit. He is the member of numbers of international peer-reviewed journal committee. So let us welcome our professor, Dr. S.K. Boral, sir, with a big hand from our side. And I'm pretty much sure here that everyone today, if you are having any question also, after the presentation also, you will have the really interesting discussion. You will learn about research problem, research design, mixed method, qualitative, quantitative, each and everything. So now we will start the next level of our research method and methodology. Over to our professor, Dr. S.K. Boral.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, Professor Dr. Rutuja Saikia, sir. And it is indeed a very splendid occasion for me again to carry forward the presentation and to make the scholars to understand what is research and how they will be able to understand the gap and what are the problems they are facing at the time of writing a paper, and how they are going to eliminate all those things and they will become a successful academician and writers in future. That I am going to present through my slides.